Electrician for Hobbies, and we're back with this budget again for more information. And like I said before in the previous video, you've got your first bills of the month here for bi-weekly or weekly, and then you've got the latter part of the month where you can pay credit cards off, which is really what you're doing is the Avalanche method. If you use high amounts to pay your credit cards off, and conversely, you could do the snowball method and put a little small payments up here to your credit card if you have any money left over. So I want to point that out to you, and hope you get this across to you what you can do with your budget. And I wish you much luck. God bless. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.